APIDA, meaning APIDA, Asian Pacific Islander Desi American, is an acronym for Asian Pacific Islander Desi American. The word refers to citizens and residents of the United States who identify as Asian, Pacific Islander, or Desi, or who have an identity that includes one of these heritages. Desi is a phrase that is occasionally used to describe someone who is of South Asian ethnicity or has roots in the Indian subcontinent. Please keep in mind that the meaning and implications of the word Desi differ from one individual to the next. The adjective APIDA is most widely used, as in APIDA students or the APIDA community. Other titles and acronyms, such as Asian American Pacific Islander, have been and are still used to refer to this varied population, abbreviated as AAPI. The acronym APIDA is frequently used to express a desire to be more clearly inclusive of South Asians, though not everyone who has South Asian heritage identifies as Desi. APIDA, on the other hand, is less often utilized. Example, the reading list included many books by APIDA authors.